Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mashwata Sena Inner Light Studio. Today I'm going to check the energy for Virgo, but for the month of September. All the Virgos, this will be a general reading. If this resonates you, you can connect and check the entire video. If it doesn't, then you can ignore it. If you want your personalized reading, you can do connect with me. You can check the description box. You can go through the website, and also you can uh, WhatsApp me or email me. The email address and the number given in the description box. Alright, so Virgos, this is the entire month. Reading will be for the September month 2024. So we know one important thing is will happen the 18th of September. That will be lunar eclipse. Let's see for Virgo what is there in your card. First card, Three of Pentacles. Ten of Wands.
Mommy?
You did 40?
No.
Okay. Go you bring your cards. I'm sorry. Eight of Wands. King of Swords. Eight of Pentacles. Queen of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck. Ten of Swords. So when we get the bottom of the deck as Ten of Swords, it is more like we are changing a pattern. We are stopping something which is totally beyond the circle. And also we can what we can do, what we can understand from that card is a totally, we are not even bothered about what we are leaving behind. So there are, or there may be something which you were going through certain what I feel from this card is uncertainty, a lots and lots of burden which is not yours, that you were carrying around, and that you will overcome that with Eight of Wands. So if you are overcoming this with Eight of Wands, that means you are getting lots and lots of support from your family and friends. This is also a celebration month. We all know Ganesh Chaturthi will be there. You can celebrate well with your family and friends. Also there is one major thing happening that I said in the beginning of the video, that is on 18th lunar eclipse. So as we are getting Three of Pentacles, it's a family, something more maybe what you expected. You have spent a lot, but now it's time that you are realizing that I have the moment I have spent certain money, or where I have spent the money, it's not I was not supposed to spend that much. That is a realization for Virgos. And you will get a lots and lots of support from your family and friends, from your colleagues. So around 18th you are getting Five of Cups. 15 to 18 we can say Two of Wands, Five of Swords. So there we will get a vulnerable energy around that period of time. I will do the clarification for sure for Virgos. Okay, so Five of Cups. Why we are getting Five of Cups around the mid of September for Virgo? Please clarify. Five of Cups for Virgo. Why it is? Why we are getting that? So now you got it, why you are getting a Five of Cups. You're getting abundance as well. Some opportunities you are going to miss out. You will be confused whether to take that or to leave it. So if you take that opportunity, it will be there in your head. It's not actually happening. So missing out on opportunity, whatever you will choose, you are bound to get success. You can live your own life on your terms and conditions. So that is what the energy is. We can't, it's very simple actually. We can't do everything. We can't do 10 walks at a time. We can do 7 and we have to let go 3. Either we can do 8 or we have to let go 2. So you the thing will be, the worrying is what I understand, you will be worried about that 2 and or that 3 that you have left, but you will not get the satisfaction. You will feel, I should have worked more hard, and I should have done all the 10. That is practically not feasible and possible as well. That's what I get. 2 of Wands. We'll get the clarification why we are getting 2 of Wands. For Virgo, month of September 2024, why Virgo is getting 2 of Wands, and let's get clarified. Okay. So it's a mixed feeling kind of thing. You will feel nostalgic for someone. So some of you will feel nostalgic. Some of you will get lots and lots of options. You hold your own energy. Many of you are single parent, or many of you are it's like you are the only one who is running your family. You who are earning for your family as well, who are managing your family emotional, mental and financial health. So it will be a bit burden, and you are missing your friends, or you are not able to take time out for yourself. That can be a cause of irritation, but rest of the energies are good because you have multiple options, and you have to please understand, you have to let something go, because if you let go, then your focus will be more in what you are doing as of now, and your productivity will be much more in the work that you are in. That is not a big deal, or that I don't think you should worry about that. Okay, so the end of September, I got a flipper, I got a tower and a 9 of Wands. So you are into a transition. I guess transformation will happen by the end of September after lunar eclipse. So that point of time you may find some uncertainty or a vulnerable moment, but you can start a new business, you might get a new job, you will heal yourself from a relationship or a pain that is troubling you from inside, or your long term, a very long wish will get fulfilled. You are getting these 2 cards. So there might be a change in your relationship or partnership that I can see. So you will heal, you will get rid of whatever pain you are suffering from. That's a good thing. See, this lunar eclipse is powerful. So it will, somewhat changes will be there in no matter what zodiac sign you are in. But that depends on your planetary positions in your chart as well. So if you want any personalized reading, then you need to connect with me so that I can check your planetary position and I can give you the exact thing, what is it that you are going through, or your immediate future. 7 of Cups, Hermit, transformation. There will be a sure short transformation in your energy. Welcome it. Let the energy flow in. Let the change happen. Do not, please do not restrict anything. As per gemstones are concerned, Virgo, please, you can refer to if you feel the more uncertainty is happening and you are having some financial losses, though it is not on the cards, but if you feel that, then what you can wear is a blue sapphire. It doesn't matter which what is your body weight and how you are going to wear it. You can wear it with silver, or if you want to wear it in a gold, then it's better to wear it as a pendant. You can wear that. And for this finger, you need to wear it right hand. Metal will be silver or copper can goes. Okay, so blue sapphire is the stone that will help you a lot in terms of health, financial losses, whatever transition or the transformation is going to happen in your chart. And the hermit, that light is there. You will gain your energy back. I want you to call your energy back. Don't get into this. Get into this. This is a celebration card. So celebrations are on the card. A little bit worry is there on the card. If you're losing out on something, that is there on the card, but don't affect yourself. Because losing means, what I believe is, if you're losing something that you are gaining, your doors are opening for a huge abundance. You are gaining a lot. So that is what the Virgo energy is for the month of September 2024. I hope this helps. Okay, all right, have a great day ahead and have a great month. Thank you so much.